Brace for impact. Key data points to drive Nifty's volatility today. The key catalysts this Friday morning. 1. Gift Nifty flirting above the dotted lines as traders brace for rough session ahead of Friday's US PCE inflation data to be wired at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. The Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index is the Federal Reserve's preferred measure of inflation and could have a bearing in the central bank's future rate policy. B. India's GDP to trickle in today, 31st May. C. Exit poll will start to trickle in on Saturday, 1st June at 6:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. D. May auto sales on Saturday, 1st June at 6:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. 2. Meanwhile, the US economy expanded an annualized 1.3% in Q1 2024, below 1.6% in the advance estimate, and following a 3.4% expansion in Q4. Personal spending, the main engine of the US economy, grew only 2% compared to the previous estimate of 2.5%. GDP data suggests that the US economy grew at a slower pace in the first quarter than previously estimated. 3. Overnight, Wall Street slumps again. Blame it on shares of Salesforce, which tumbled more than 18% after the company missed on revenue and sales growth. 4. Also, Minneapolis Federal Reserve President Neel Kashkari suggested that more positive inflation data would be necessary before considering rate reductions this year. Long story short, caution will continue to be the buzzword. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 3050 crores, while DIIs net bought to the tune of Rs 3433 crores. Sentiments for the day is likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are indicating massive overbought technical conditions plus weakening momentum. Fano May month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 to 23,000 zone. India VIX is trading firm at 24.17 levels. Nifty PCR, 27th June, is at 1.25 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 26th June, is at 0.97. Nifty outlook, volatility, and volatility. Nifty, CMP to 2489. Support, 22,350 to 22,300. Resistance, 22,650 to 22,750. Range, 22,300 to 22,650. Bias, sideways. Bank Nifty, CMP 48682. Support, 48,400 to 48,200. Resistance, 49,000 to 49,200. Range, 48,400 to 49,000. Bias, sideways. Strictly speaking, Nifty and its stocks in May have given back a big chunk of their hard-fought gains. The negative catalyst, the street fears that a low margin of victory for the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, may stop the government from taking bold reforms. Honestly speaking, anything below 303 number of seats win for NDA will be uninspiring, with Nifty probably drifting down to its 200 DMA placed at 21,000 mark. Alternatively, anything between 360 and 390 NDA seats should trigger a broad-based rally with immediate targets on Nifty at 23500 plus, with defense, power stocks, infra and industrials, capital goods, CG, and PSU bank stocks hogging limelight.